Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to hide comment from Instagram post. Hiding a comment from your Instagram profile post is pretty easy process. Just follow me to do it. And the steps will be similar for Androids and iPhones. Go to your Instagram and go to your profile and search for the post. And as you can see, here's the one comment posted. So I'm going to tapping on view comment. And here's the comment I want to hide. So to hide the comment, just tap on hide. And as you can see, the comment has been successfully hide from the post. So this is how we can do it. And to see all of your hidden comments, just tap on see hidden comments, and only you will be able to see all of your hidden comments. From here you will be able to easily unhide the comment by tapping on unhide, and the comment will be again post into the comment section. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.